So a few pointers if you're doing the rocker arm lifter fix on 3.5 Pentastar Dodge. I think they're in Jeep, Caravan, other cars. Ton of videos online, but a few items to note that gave me a headache. So this is the right side, which is from this side. That's right, this is left. When you're taking it off, these are on top of the bolts. These are the cover holder. There's a bolt underneath it. Another point, there are two locating pins. They're not bolts, they're pins. They sit like this. Mine in the front, at least, were completely rusted and they were seized. So best is grab vice grip, turn that a little bit, and then hopefully you can get it out. I managed to break one off. Luckily it's the outside of the cover shell, so hopefully my gasket will still seal. But yeah, this is the issue. You see here in Ontario we got lots of salt, lots of rust. These supposed to come out easy, but they don't. Next point, when you get the rocker arms, so this is the latest part number 5184296AH is the latest one. This is the follower or the lifter, hydraulic lifter. So when I went to the warehouse, they gave me the wrong revision that looked like this, which is the original one. You can see the pin is flush, it doesn't move. The latest one, if you can see, the pin protrudes a little bit, and it's floating. That's the latest revision. It allows some play in the bearing, so all the wear doesn't go on the bearing. So make sure that you get the latest one. And also, so I replaced all 24, by the way, it's 24. And also this is the lifter. You can see how I can move it with my hand easily. So I had 4 of these, 2 on each side. So I also changed these. I didn't change all of them because the rest seem okay. What else to note? Also on the right side, when you're putting it back, there seemed to be not enough slack in the chain, and it's hard to put them back on the cam. The trick is you need to remove the locking tool, and I'll give you some play to lift and pivot and rotate. And then the other thing was it was hard to put the bolt back in. So again, you need to make sure it's aligned, otherwise it cannot catch the threads to start threading onto the shaft. Play with the wrench, move it back and forth, and try to align it so that the bolt goes in and starts the threads, and then it can go in easily. One more note, you don't need to remove the radiator to get to these bolts. There's a bolt here and a bolt there, and it's hard to get to it because of the bracket here. These brackets, these are just brackets, they're not functional. So what I did is, what you should do is, I just went and I bent it back and just grabbed the wrench and bent it back far enough that I could get a wrench in and remove those bolts. Those are the main snags that slowed me down, but otherwise anyone can do this.